ye to akase bono so na ye de mu etu fanfan e de free e Ghana mamu hanum de akopie wa amanone kuro bi e friend e USA e United States of America e kamiaka Africa ebusia for ne atoso ene sent no na kire se e US Interpol and United States Interpol omo ye a police for a omo hwehwe sensemu investigation e de omodwuma kase pa eno no omo timi enko enja e investigation e honom na US Interpol yi no omo de nsemi ababutu dwa ade afa ye mampini dada John Dramani Mahama ho ha enya asem keto sisi aka wa mabo ye Mahama asan se won hwe na 129 FNC ye United States of America ho ye USA honom ama je se bushafo aye nsem bebre a enya asem keto akra je se abushafo ye nsem bre no aha aye nkasa TV ko so subscribe na like na share be ma re visible mi odomano so bitum as wonya bi ahwe etie yankoti nsem no mu kiremu
into letter krata and free headquarters and bedan speaker say that's a front bench say a minority you say a majority you parliament nankasa at the stand on what is almost standing orders I just say yeah or mankasa mumra mudi ejuma parliament was a free and echo amanyo kubia into being krata mra the only people who can change their leadership a majority and as a minority caucus. And for me, I think it makes a lot of sense. Now, other intina ebebanisa, yedi and come here, the day I was 33 here, who coach in the tweet. And he say, I could be paying. It's in a one within a baby agra. They were in the near to check, or who be paying. And he said, none of their calls will end this. Obian Kase, Obia be leader, Afribo, daddy. Nobody has said so. Number one. Said to be the leader but per convention and per practice normally leadership changes after elections back then they call friends and minority for the first time and I said the co-position for the first time in 2001 and then next speaker back then start time no minority leader until 2008, and say winning way, a barbemo, and a leadership change, and say now, like a majority leader, and say actually, Kumbo should be a majority leader. Now, the point I'm making is that none of the see in last year, and I said last 2 years, say year elections, year and it's the NDC, Yako Congress, Yako new leaders. I see no Kitia chairman, Tifi general secretary. Then got here. They say they are Pam Haruna Idrisu. Now, without any form of consultation, more parliament one consulting will be Haruna and Kasaman consulting as minority leader. And it's a Parliamentary headquarters by a minority leader. Now, that kind of upheaval is not good for the democracy. And it's not good for parliamentary work itself. About 80 something MPs. Ebe press conference, Haruna Echi. I say from headquarters near to Tuba. I said, get Tony Dia, not 50 quid Tony Dia. I said, get Tony Dia, 50 quid Tony Dia. Then what I say, Haruna on economics, finance. I say, in election, economics and finance. They are too forcing because or not economic finances. I mean, come on. Now, when you do that kind of thing, it is not right, it is not proper, it is not fair. I mean, economics in any day. At the econometrics exam, our parliament hall. And I said, yeah. So when you say Haruna and economics, I said, it's an insult. It doesn't speak well. It is derogatory. It is disrespect. Who good anymore say? How person will say in a political career in oh yes, I am. It's not fair. So I believe, sir, going forward now, meaning our account and our parliament could take its decisions. You see, because it's also about the work of parliament. Between you and I, come now. The idea look at what MPP has done. What have they done? They have taken the deputy majority whip and they have moved him smoothly to become, the deputy majority leader. the deputy minority leader, Honorable Apenyo Maki, has moved smoothly. He's transited smoothly to become the majority leader. Master, that is what you do with smooth transition. So there's no break. There's no upheaval. There's nothing. In fact, I started here, July, a press conference, he said, Ubian Sisa, Chairman Sabunsu. And I'm saying, Abba, history will ever repeating in one. Now, this morning I was listening to you when you were doing your early morning, me and son, I was starting. Yeah. And I now can say, oh, Chairman Sabunsu, Ubian himself, or presidency, and out now. But come now, at the end of the day, as they say in French, c'est la vie. It's about negotiating. Don't negotiate in Antia Juma. And that is it. It is initially near see a pam, naturally a cotton, and I like one analysis. Oh, yeah. How we end from the Ashanti region factor, and the central region factor, and the other factors, more. It just means that the Ashanti dominance at the top is too much.
Yes.
Aha. So they must make some compromises. It's the ABS initially was one chair here. The president friend of a Flagstaff House, Mudin Komono. It's just here, Juma. And after one cut about, and the cut about on said, look, Majaya Jumano. Subsequently, on Parliament, from my parliamentary sources, the day before the proper handover, Nankatan, of Betina Nakunyum as leader. Then the day of the handover, back in air announcing. And the day, Obaye or the Minkata the two, the journal or title. Tena, Omuye Bibi and the Yini Kate Free, and a Cotina when you mark in it. Master, smooth transition. Smooth transition. And that's the point I'm making. Even in team, Emba Bonten, the DD, Chairman Zabuso, on economics, I say. Justin Kobia, Emba Bonti, Emba Kasantia, Chairman Sabos. Say a warning for Flagstaff House. Say a pipeline and assume of Flagstaff House. Omufia Assembly with you. A Bontin there, we can speculate all we want to speculate. But the truth of the matter is that the MPP has succeeded in going through a smooth transition of leadership. And then Alexander Penyomaki, honorable member for Efutu, and a majority leader. Fanti Fobeka, name yet, we are still feeling the effect of that thing that happened. What happened? Who said Yaruna, any anything, I took forcing.
General Mancasa, one reference, Mr. Wa.
Sorry, Mancani is there. Sorry, my chance. Not a dinner. Sorry.
Yes.
Good. Sorry. The honorable member for.
Enyan, Jumaku Enyan,
wonderful. That's the minority leader. Good. Where is that collaboration between Ono and Haruna? Then again, Forcing was not even on the front bench during Haruna's time. So they just brought him from somewhere onto the front bench. MPP DNA, they have maintained an odd prayer. I think Habib Tijani